To see you, and this news, I think, welcomed by a lot of folks. Does this mean that 3 doses of your vaccine should potentially be enough to restore at least the antibody levels against Omicron, and maybe mean we won't need to update the vaccine here?
Yes, what we saw in this study that we did, and this is the first of many that will follow, it is that 3 doses of our vaccine against Omicron basically is equivalent to 2 doses of our vaccine with the original strain. So, and as you remember, the original strain, these antibody levels were translated to very, very high efficacy of 95%. So these are good news. On the 2 doses, the reduction was significant. But the 3rd dose restored those titers very, very high.
What information are you expecting to get over the next couple weeks, both from within, Pfizer and BioNTech, and also from around the world? We saw the South Africa data last night. We know that academic labs everywhere are working on this. How will you make that decision about whether those 3 doses are enough, or if you do need to switch to that Omicron specific vaccine, which we understand you started working on already and could have by March?
Yes. The data that we received are data that we got from what we call pseudovirus. So it's not the real virus. It is a virus that we have constructed in our labs, and it is identical with the Omicron virus. This is a very well-known study, and the first data that are coming are from this. We are working to reproduce the same results with the real virus, and that will come in maybe a week or 2. And those typically are more accurate because those assays are more sensitive. The ultimate proof is coming from real-world data. We need to see where people that they have received the 3 doses, people that have received the 2 doses, if we have enough breakthrough cases, the severity of the cases, et cetera, et cetera. And that will come again, I think, by the end of the month. So by the end of the month, holistically, we have enough data to say if Omicron, the solution will be just the 3rd dose and monitor to see when the 3rd dose wanes or not, or if we need to go to a specific against Omicron variant vaccine. Again,